My name is Fanny. I am 24, I'm French, and I come from Bordeaux, but I'm currently living in Australia. And here is a little movie that explains why I would love to be part of the Pernod Ricard adventure. To me, wine is all about sharing a good moment with family and friends. I guess I got that from my parents, as I grew up on a winery where they used to produce wine and hosted big events in their two reception rooms. I also remember the first time I walked into Vinexpo and thinking to myself how amazing that all those people from all around the world were getting together thanks to a common passion that is wine. Ever since, my desire of being part of it has grown stronger and stronger, and I'm so glad and feel so privileged to have been able to work in an industry that I'm passionate about for the past 5 years. I have learned so much through my internships and jobs at the different chateaus and wine merchants I've worked for. I guess being passionate about a product that you have to work on every day has made me a very hard worker in order to learn all I could from this industry. However, sharing that passion is an everyday thing. By that I mean that I simply enjoy to share a meal with the people I like, work as a team in the kitchen to get things ready, exchange our life stories around a nice glass of wine. I know it is simple, but this is what got me in this industry in the first place. This is why I would love to be part of your brand ambassador program, as I also find it challenging. And learning more about your brands, your products, your stories, and share it with the rest of the world will be so rewarding.